I am Ruchira Jha from class 9th, Mohini Devi Memorial School.
I am Jia Gupta from class 9th, Mohini Devi Memorial School. We are here to present the problems of the society. One of the major problems of the society is corruption. Due to this, even the basic need of the people cannot fulfill. This is an ill in the society. We present the story case and also present the solution to reduce corruption to get justice.
Here I am telling the story case. This is a house where a criminal killed a person. After this multiplication, the man's family loaded a police complaint. After the police complaint, police filed the case against the criminal. But the criminal ran away from the district, and the family members of the criminal was tried to save him. So they had to give a lot of bribe to police to save the criminal and to make sure that he would not be arrested. When the district court gave the order to the police to arrest the criminal, police gave the excuse that the criminal ran away from the district and we were trying to find out the criminal. But actually they did nothing for arresting him and they were trying to save the criminal. After 3 months passes, the district court gave the order to seize but the police neglected the order of district court and gave excuse that they are searching from the starting to find out that the criminal actually do crime or not. Then the case transferred from district court to high court. In the high court, the report was submitted by the police was totally wrong. In the report, they say that the criminal not do any crime. It is just an incident. And they were doing everything to get close the matter. After the 6 months passes, the case were transferred from High Court to Supreme Court by the victim's family. In the Supreme Court, the lawyer of victim's family presented all those reports who was proved wrong in the High Court by the police, but the report was actually right. Finally, the Supreme Court gave the correct verdicts and punished the murderer. We see that finally they got the right judgment, but to get judgment they had to pay a lot of amount. But if the police supported the truth, then the case would have been solved in the High Court, and the High Court gave the right judgment regarding this case. But due to the corruption, it would not happen.
From this story case, we understand that to get justice, the victim's family face a lots of problems. If the victim's family not educated, they cannot reach to the Supreme Court. They had to pay a lot of amount. This shows that corruption is an ill in the society. The solution of the corruption are a big TV should be installed above the police camp and cannot connect the TVs. The solution of the problems are a big TV should be installed above the police camp and connect the TV server to the camera so that the general public can also see what is happening inside the police station, so that the police have a fair chance that someone is watching then commit the crime through the camera. There should be cameras installed outside the house of police chief officers, also through government, and their camera is connected to a TV screen outside the house so that it can be so who is the one person constantly coming and going inside their house, so that if they were doing something wrong, then we will have evidence against the police officer. CCTV camera all over the society so that any crime happen there must be evidence, and the supervision on the camera should be under the society control. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.